Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Motorola Moto G84 5G. For that, you want to take a simple paper clip or your SIM card ejector and then look for the SIM card slot on your phone, and on this device it's on this left side here. We insert our SIM card ejector. This pops up and we take that out. And then you see we have a space for one SD card and one SIM card. So we take our SIM card now and put that in the tray and then put the whole thing back in the phone. And now we're back in the phone. So you see we have signal now, and when we go to our settings, we need to go to network and internet, and then we also have our mobile network here, Kongstar, which is our provider. So we can now go ahead, make phone calls and all that. So that's how you can insert a SIM card to your Motorola Moto G84 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.